everyone, welcome back to Tiny Talent. Today we're going to draw this really cute squishmallow unicorn. Okay, let's get started. First we're going to draw the unicorn's horn. Right in the middle of the page here. Go up to a point, curve the point a little bit, and bring it back down. Okay. And connect that line. And let's do some curved lines in here to add some dimension. Well done, everyone. Okay, next up, let's do some hair. So we're going to do 3 little tufts of hair. We'll color whatever color you like afterwards. Back around. Okay. And then we're going to do another one right here. And then let's do the last one here. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's move on to her ears next, and then we'll form the shape of her body. So the ears are going to go up to about here. You want to put a little dot. Arch your pencil or pen to a point there, and then we're going to bring it back down to about here. Okay. Now if you want to bring your pen across as straight as you can so you can get them even and do your little dot there. And then if you want to bring this across, you have to kind of eye it. All right, and then do your curve to make the other ear. Okay, and then let's do this curve. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to do the inside of her ear. Follow the line down like that. Back up to a point and back down. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Up to a point and back down. Okay, so we're going to go to about here, okay? So if you want to figure, it's about 1 and a little bit of what you've drawn, and it's going to go out and in, all right? And if you want to take it in steps, all right. I'm going to take it in steps here because I would usually turn the paper. It would be a lot easier to turn the paper. If you wanted to turn the paper upside down, it would be easier to arc your arm that way. So you could actually do that. I'll just show you. It's a lot easier to get that line if you turn the paper instead of trying to turn your whole body. And connect it. See? And then you can turn it back around. Well done, everyone. Okay. All right, let's do her little belly. So it's just like a little hill. The same thing. Well done. All right, let's finish her off by doing her little snout and her 2 little eyes, okay? So her snout is an oval. My hand's a bit shaky today. And she just has 2 little, it's another 2 ovals, and you can color them in black. All right. And then we're going to give her 2 nice big eyes. If you want to bring your line across to make sure that they're about even, you can. All right, Now if you don't have a highlight marker, just make sure to draw in your white of your eye. Draw one big one, and then a little one down there, and then we'll color that black. And make sure to put them in the same spots, in the same area. Okay, and we'll color those in black. Well done. I'm going to add some little eyelashes onto mine, okay? You don't have to, but I'm going to. A lot of the times when you're coloring, it's better to color in first and then do your eyelashes after so it doesn't smear. So I should have actually done that at the end. Okay, I think I'm going to add something else. I'm going to add some design here, maybe a couple stars or something like that. Unicorns are very magical, so I'm going to add a few stars. And then maybe one more here. And I might just do one more right here, a smaller one. All right, that looks really cute. That's it, everyone. That's our unicorn squishmallow drawn. Let's color her in. I'm going to show you step by step on the screen above what colors I'll be using, but anything that you have at home to color will do. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Town and drawing this really sweet unicorn squishmallow. See you next time. Bye!